Merry Christmas, family. This is Nettie with Simply Journey on Christmas Day. Family, I did a video live last night to show y'all my Christmas decoration, but the video was a whole lot of blurriness. So I'm just going to do a quick, less than 5 minute video, just going over the Christmas decoration so y'all can see them better. This is my wreath. I bought this wreath last year, maybe the early part of this year at Walmart when it was like 75% off. And I love the theme on it, the black and white, the acorns, and it's not acorns, the pine cones. And then I like the red trucks. So I bought me a red truck that lights up. There go my little red truck. How cute is that? So I bought two of these throws here. Put one on my recliner, and I put one on the love seat. I thought that gave it a nice red touch. All right, I bought 3 poinsettias. I have one inside and two outside, but the two outside had kind of went bad because of the cold weather hit it. And here goes my table here. So the decoration that's in the center, I like the plaid black and white, so I went with the plaid black and white and the red. And that was purchased last year along with those two vases on the side. This Santa Claus was purchased this year, and that globe was purchased this year at Hobby Lobby. All right, there goes my tree, family. There goes a lovely little tree. I ended up getting a small tree. I had a big tree that I bought last year, Walmart, 75% off. It was too big for the space, but I used the skirting, the tree skirt. And yeah, this is what it really looks like. I have the lights running. Only one set. Is one set of lights on? Yeah, it's a little set of lights on. They're not blinking. On this one here, that little white vase, that was purchased last year too. So the things I purchased last year was like about 75%. But the tree, this tree is new, and all most of the decorations up the Lord's side, red decoration, that was last year purchased. And I got the Pillow Believe. See, he got a second red cloth. I red throw that I wanted to add color. And I got me some Christmas cups. And I have my letter to Santa box. Let's go on this around here. All right, family. So I wanted to have a comfortable red truck. Okay, look at that. My truck's supposed to have a Christmas tree on it, not a dog. And it took me maybe about a week or so to realize, this is not the right comforter set. So that candle, I had that candle for years, and I bought this vase here. I think from Marshalls or Ross, probably Marshalls for $10. Yeah, this stuff wasn't too expensive at all. Okay, the bathroom. I bought this vase. This thing cost me $15, so I really liked it. I got that from, I think, Marshalls. And my little red Santa truck. That little red Santa truck, I bought that last year at Walmart too. I bought this thing here at Hobby Lobby. Forgot how much it was, but I liked that. Thought that was nice. We still have my black and white working. And I went with the black rugs in the bathroom, as well as the runner here. So I'm working my black and white decoration. So I got the black and white rug here for the kitchen. Got black and white towels. Just was trying to add some of the, just trying to add the black and white into it, with my red. And yeah, this is my, what I did by this black rug right here. All these black and white stuff is going back into the storage bin. You know, got my Miss Santa hat on, set hat. And I did get myself a Christmas pajama. I have my Christmas pajamas on. I forgot to put this back in the closet in the armoire. So yeah, family, just want to give y'all a quick video of how it looks. I'm so sorry that video was blurry. So I know trying to go live is hard because it's not giving me the better picture, you know. the video come out bad. So just want to take time out to do this, family, today. It's Christmas. Y'all have an awesome, blessed Christmas today. Enjoy your family. Eat, drink, and be merry. Okay? And, okay, it's going on 5 minutes. Now y'all can see it a little better, much better. See my little plaid bows on the tree? I have painted red, black, and white ornaments on the tree. See red, black, white ornaments. Yeah. I ended up paying regular price. I paid $25, I think, for that tree. And it had one set of lights on it. So I didn't want to do it. Everything I paid for that tree, but none of it was on sale. So I wasn't happy about it, but I said, well, I'll get over it. I'll just have this tree for this cabin. Since it's such a small space, I couldn't put the big red one up. I mean, the bigger tree up. All right, family, this is Nam Simple Me Journey. You guys have a very Merry Christmas and have a supernatural blessed New Year 2024. Y'all think positive, go in with a positive attitude, live your life, do some things that you want to do. I'm preparing myself for van life, and I want a van more so that I want something to be able to stand up in, but I'm preparing for that. I just got an item that's going to go in my van. It's in my storage. I'll talk about it one day. All right, family, this is Nancy for me journey. Merry Christmas. Y'all have a happy New Year. Please hit that like and share button. And y'all be blessed. See y'all. Bye-bye.